Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Chem Study Zone, your ultimate destination for the preparation of PGT exams. Basically, here we will teach you chemistry for PGT exams. For all the upcoming PGT exams like KVS, NVS, ESSB and UP PGT, होप गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम ले, आपको जॉब्स दे, वैकेंसीज निकले. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद योर ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में आपका पहला चैप्टर होगा जीओसी, दैट इज जनरल ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. इन जनरल ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री यू हैव टू स्टडी हाइब्रिडाइजेशन, inductive effect, hyperconjugation, resonance, aromaticity. In aromaticity you will read this Huckel rule, all of these things. Okay, your reaction intermediates are also in GOC, like carbocation, carbanion, free radicals, carbene, nitrene, everything. All these things you will study in general organic chemistry chapter. The first chapter of your organic chemistry, basically the base of your organic chemistry. Second chapter will be your stereochemistry. स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री में आप पढ़ेंगे आइसोमेरिज्म, ऑप्टिकल आइसोमेरिज्म, कंफर्मेशंस, ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमेरिज्म, फिशर न्यूमैन सोहर्स प्रोजेक्शंस, etc. The third chapter will be reaction mechanism. Your third chapter will be reaction mechanism and type of organic reactions. In this chapter you will study substitution reaction, addition reaction, elimination reaction, rearrangement reactions. So in substitution reaction like SN1, SN2, SNI, addition reactions, electrophilic additions, nucleophilic addition, free radical addition, elimination, you will study E1, E2, E1 CB. And in rearrangement reactions you will read pinacol, pinacolone rearrangement. There are so many rearrangement reactions. Fries, Wolf, all these are your rearrangement reactions. The fourth chapter will be organic reaction mechanism and name reactions. Basically this will be your name reactions. Why we will read name reactions chapter differently? Because there are so many reactions which are important for you, and they have asked in previous year papers your name reactions. Name reactions like Aldol condensation, Cannizzaro, Claisen condensation, Perkin reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction, Diamond-Timon reaction. All of these name reactions you will read in this chapter, name reaction. Aromatic compounds, here will be fifth chapter. Aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds like benzene, naphthalene, anthracene, phenanthracene. आपको इन सबके प्रिपरेशन, इनकी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज पढ़नी होगी. एक्टिवेटिंग, डीएक्टिवेटिंग ग्रुप्स, ऑर्थो, पैरा, मेटा, डायरेक्टिंग ग्रुप्स. कौन सा ग्रुप ऑर्थो डायरेक्टिंग होता है, कौन सा पैरा डायरेक्टिंग होता है, कौन सा मेटा डायरेक्टिंग होता है, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. एंड नेक्स्ट चैप्टर योर विल बी स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी. And one more thing, for all these chapters you will go through your NCERTs very well. Like you have to study your NCERTs line by line, but for these chapters like spectroscopy, and identification, योर स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी इज नॉट गिवन इन एनसीईआरटीज। या आपने अपनी हायर एजुकेशन में पढ़ा होगा केवल बीएससी एंड एमएससी में। अगर आपके पास मटेरियल नहीं है स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी का, देन आई विल शेयर एवरीथिंग विद यू। यू जस्ट हैव टू वेट एंड वॉच माय चैनल ओनली। एंड हेट्रोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स भी आपने ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ा होगा एनसीईआरटी में। हेट्रोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स आर योर लाइक पायरोल, फ्यूरान, थायोफीन, पिरिडीन, क्विनोलिन, आइसोक्विनोलिन, इंडोल। इन सब के आपको प्रॉपर्टीज पढ़नी है, प्रिपरेशन पढ़नी है, केमिकल और फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, ये दोनों चीज़ें पढ़नी है। एंड यूजेस आर ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। हेट्रोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स बेसिकली आपके ड्रग्स में यूज होते हैं। ड्रग्स इन द सेंस वी विल फोकस ऑन कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी, रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म वी विल फोकस, reagents we will focus on, and first chapter is very important, the GOC. It is your base. You have to study it very nicely and deeply. Okay. Second will be your bonding. In chemical bonding, you will read different type of bonds: ionic bond, covalent bond, and you will read metallic bonding, hydrogen bonding, all of these things. And VBT you will read in this chapter. Fazan's rule is very important for you for PGT chemistry. Next chapter will be your coordination chemistry. Coordination chemistry में you have to study VBT, CFT, LFT, different type of ligands, and for PGT you have to read this also, transitions. Next chapter will be your main group elements. These are your S and P block elements. SP ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स में आप हम 11th-12th का सिलेबस साथ साथ कवर करेंगे। एस ब्लॉक में सारे एलिमेंट्स और पी ब्लॉक के सारे एलिमेंट्स जो 11th-12th के एनसीईआरटीज में अलग अलग दिए गए हैं वो हम एक ही जगह कवर करेंगे। नेक्स्ट ट्रांजिशन। Next chapter pH calculations very important. Ionic equilibrium, Ostwald's dilution laws very important. Solubility product is very important. Evidence application are also very important. RMS, Brownfield, concept, Lewis concept, ACPs. These सारे concepts are very important. You will study them in this ionic equilibrium chapter. Next is your chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium in chemical equilibrium you will read law of mass action, equilibrium constant, law Chatelier principle और उसके applications are very important. These are the topics that you will study in chemical equilibrium chapter. Next is your chemical kinetics, very important chapter. Very important chapter. From the point of view of your PGT chemistry exam, chemical kinetics is a very important chapter. Thermodynamics and thermochemistry. In thermodynamics and thermochemistry, all the thermodynamics law you will read in this: enthalpy, internal energy, entropy, CP, CV, CP-CV relation, Gibbs free energy. And thermochemistry, you will study the calculation of enthalpy of formation, combustion, neutralization. Hess law is very important from the point of view of your PGT chemistry exam. Next is your surface chemistry. Next is your very important chapter, electrochemistry. Next is your solution and colligative properties. Phase equilibrium will be your next chapter. Equilibrium is your next chapter, phase equilibrium. Molecular spectroscopy. In molecular spectroscopy, you will read IR spectroscopy, rotational, vibrational spectra, Beer-Lambert's law, very important in this previous paper. In 2021, Beer-Lambert law was asked in UB PGT chemistry paper. NMR spectroscopy and chemical shift. There was a question from chemical shift also. And next chapter is also very important, photochemistry. Your laws of photochemistry, fluorescence, phosphorescence, chemiluminescence, quantum yield, photochemical reactions. You have to study them very deeply. Okay. So here's your preparation guide.